Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a look at the second model from Tuseno I had the pleasure of spending time with. Tuseno is a Swedish micro brand, and after being impressed with their diverse shellback, let's check out this called First 38. This is actually a smaller version of the model called First 42, which, as the name suggests, came in a 42mm case, while this one comes in a 38mm one. If you follow my channel, you know I like when watches wear slightly smaller due to both my smallish 6.7-inch wrist and my personal taste of not having a watch take too much wrist area. This one, with its 38mm case and 45mm lug-to-lug, is perfect for my taste, but due to an all-dial design, will most likely look okay for most people, as it does have a larger wrist presence than the specs would suggest. It's also probably down to the white dial as well, as I'm sure the black one wears slightly smaller. When it comes to the watch itself, it is a truly simple and timeless design. The case is simple and really well finished, with a curved and mirror polished bezel and an all brushed finish on the rest of the case. The crown and pushers are well proportioned to the case, and the overall thickness is just right for this size. The dial is a beautiful white that looks almost like it's made of enamel under certain lighting conditions, while the slightly sunken subdials have concentric grooves that are so delicate you almost don't see them unless the light hits them at an angle. The writing is kept to a minimum, and the polished hands and markers really make the watch come alive as you move it around. Despite having simple polished hands, they do feature a bevel at the center, so they hardly ever disappear, while the chronograph seconds hand and both subdial hands are blue colored, looking almost like they're made out of blue glass. The fit and finish is very good, with only one marker showing some sloppy polishing, but this is a review sample, so I would expect production models to have this sorted out. The classic look is even more emphasized with the beautiful brown leather strap that comes with the deployant clasp and, to my surprise, is quite short. Usually I have to get a custom straps, as the usual 120-80mm ones make the lip stick out, but this one is just perfect for me, meaning if you have a bigger wrist, you might find it too short, as the long part is just 115mm long. The crystal is a slightly domed sapphire, and the watch is powered by a Seiko VK series Mecaquartz movement. It means you get a mechanical sweep of the chronograph and an instant reset while having accuracy and practicality of a quartz movement. Being a bicompax chronograph, it is missing the small seconds subdial of the main time, which is something I actually prefer, as it hides its quartz origin even more and makes setting the time easier. These are priced at $330 at the moment, and they offer a wide variety of both the dial and case colors, which, considering the specs, is a pretty fair price, especially given how well finished they are. So far, Tuseno has supplied me with two watches, and both are pretty good and made just the way I like them. But despite liking this one, the shellback is still my favorite in their collection. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.